Hi everyone, this is Abdul. I am one of the developers of EZY-Cloud. Let me give you a high-level overview of this product. EZY-Cloud acts as a bridge between EasyTree to Cloud. We provide a way for the customers to copy the data from EasyTree to Cloud. Once we got the data cloud, it can be used by various UI UX tools or the in-house tools to create any kind of dashboards. This can act as a standalone product or it can be combined with other products whoever wants to move the data from mainframe to cloud. So let me start with the demo so that it will give you a high level overview so that it will give you a deep understanding on what we are trying to reach. So we have covered the complete end-to-end process, like starting from providing a GUI where you will submit the jobs, and it will run at the background, and the data will get moved from mainframe to cloud, and we'll pull the data from the cloud and we'll show it in the GUI. So we are used Python, Zoe SDK, Java APIs, and tkinter. Now I'm running this Python job. So this is a kind of a interface we are using right now. EZY-Cloud, easy to bridge to cloud, and we are trying to submit, like we are mapped it with 3 of the EasyTree programs. Sales data for retrieving the sales related data, and employee data is related to retrieving the employee information from the database, and product data is like kind of EasyTree program where it retrieves the product data. So I'll submit this sales data, and this Python will use Zoe SDK to submit the jobs to the mainframe. And once the jobs run successfully, we are using Java APIs to move the data from mainframe to cloud. And once we get the data in the cloud, we are converting it to a readable format, and we are showing it in this text box. So the customer no longer needs to know about this Zoe APIs and other APIs what we are using it, and he can directly see the data that has been created. So this is the sales data. We are also providing two additional capabilities that will help the customer to convert it into either a JSON or CSV format. So when I click on this convert to JSON, the sales report will in turn gets converted into a CSV file, which can be provided as input to other applications that expects the JSON format. So the created JSON file is in this location. So let me show you the. So this is a JSON file. It has created a complete JSON file. Okay. Now let me try to convert this thing into CSV. Oh, this is the existing file. Let me delete it so that we'll know. So I kept this thing open from my previous run. Let me delete this sales file. Now when I do the convert to CSV, the file got created to the background. So you see the sales file, CSV file is getting created. Sorry. So this is a CSV file. Okay. So now now we got the sales data. Now the customer tends to customer wanted to see the employee data. So when she click on this retrieving the employee data information, this employee data is a kind of EasyTree program that runs on the background. We have configured it so this employee data EasyTree program will run on the will run on the background. It will get submitted in the mainframe, and the result or the data will get uploaded to the cloud. And once we got the data on the cloud, this data will be pulled from the cloud and we'll be showing it in the text box where the customer can be get the data, what it will get, will be able to see the data right away. So like this tkinter, this is the GUI we have used it for the POC. It can be any like it can be any web interface, or we are also planning to have it as an create it as an API, so it can be used along with other products. The customer has to simply call these APIs to achieve these functionalities. And that's it for the demo. Thanks for your time.